Good evening, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you how eating sprouted garlic provides you with higher antioxidant levels than fresh garlic. We can easily say that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It's loaded with healthy nutrients, and it can provide many health benefits. How about sprouted garlic? Well, the bad thing is that most people throw out old garlic once it's grown a bright green shoot. However, a little sprout actually increases the bulb's nutritional and medicinal profile. While some old sprouted foods can actually be dangerous because they release toxic chemicals which can harm the body, that's not the case for sprouted garlic. In fact, a study funded by Korea's Institute of Planning and Evaluation for Technology, which was recently published, found that sprouting garlic has even more antioxidant activity than its younger, fresher counterpart. Researcher Kim explains, quote, "Plants are very susceptible to attack from bacteria, viruses, and insects during sprouting. This causes them to produce a variety of chemicals called phytoalexins to defend themselves. Most of these are toxic to microorganisms and insects, but beneficial to human health." End quote. Kim's group hypothesized that a similar process may be occurring when green shoots grow from old garlic cloves. Other studies had already revealed that sprouted beans and grains have richer antioxidant profiles than unsprouted varieties, so the team decided to see if sprouted garlic had increased antioxidant levels as well. Extracts from garlic sprouted for 5 days had the highest antioxidant activity, whereas extracts from raw garlic had relatively low antioxidant activity. Furthermore, sprouting changed the metabolite profile of garlic. The metabolite profile of garlic sprouted for 5 to 6 days was higher than of garlic sprouted for 0 to 4 days, which is consistent with the finding that garlic sprouted for 5 days had the highest antioxidant activity. The researchers concluded that sprouting may be a viable method to increase the antioxidant potential of garlic. To stimulate the sprouting of garlic, you should just leave it in the open. At home, you should poke 2 toothpicks in a good pot of garlic. The garlic should be unpeeled. Next, fill a small and narrow glass cup with water and place the garlic pod on its rim, with its narrow part a bit submerged in the water. Keep it on a windowsill, and after 5 days, you will notice the new garlic sprouts. Garlic sprouts are excellent on top of baked potatoes, green salads, pasta salads, and dips. Does this mean you should ditch regular garlic and only use sprouted garlic? No, just add some sprouted garlic to your diet. However, the garlic sprouts are very bitter. Garlic is an effective anti-inflammatory, a proven immune booster. It enhances cardiovascular health in numerous ways and kills 14 types of cancer cells. A sulfur-rich compound in garlic called allicin is effective against bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites without toxic side effects. So the next time that head of garlic you haven't touched in a few weeks and has suddenly gone sprouty on you, why not eat it for its amazing health benefits? Thank you so much for watching. Good day and good health.